Hi and welcome to Wrexham Volkswagen. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so you never miss a video. My name is Shannon and today I will be giving you a 360-degree walk around this fantastic Volkswagen approved used Polo style. This model was a 1 litre petrol manual finished in a King's Red special metallic paint, which is an additional option. It does come with a 2-year Volkswagen warranty as well as 2 years roadside assistance. So if you'd like to find out more information, then please give us a call on 01978 340 600. So starting at the front of the vehicle, a great added benefit does include your rain sensors for added ease for the driver. And then we've got these incredible 17-inch alloys as an additional option finished in silver, making a nice contrast against the King's Red metallic paint. Then we've got your rear tinted glass, giving the car a sporty finish, as well as offering extra privacy and security for the rear interior. So taking a look inside the interior, we have your Trax 2 cloth upholstery as another additional option. We have a comfortable space for 3 passengers in the back. They have access to 2 USB ports to charge media devices on the go. Taking around to the back of the car, you do have your parking sensors. You've also got these on the front as standard to support with parking. Then taking a look inside your boot space, you will not be disappointed. We have more than enough room to cater for your daily needs, such as your weekly shopping. The floor is variable and the rear seats can also be folded down. And then panning around to the side and take you into the front interior. So we have your multi-function steering wheel followed by your Trax 2 cloth followed into the front. You do have manual adjustments available to help you find the most comfortable position to travel in. Another brilliant feature does include your panoramic sunroof as an additional option to enhance your experience. So that does conclude the first part of the video. So in the second part I'll jump inside and I'll go in further details on the interior features and technologies. So jumping in the driver's seat, we have your multiple electric mirror and window adjustments in the door, as well as your central locking with your automatic lights. These will ensure they're always on at the correct times. And then moving on to your multi-function steering wheel, so here we can access the car's functionalities such as the adaptive cruise control, which is really handy for motorway driving. We've got your volume adjustments on there as well. And then using the controls on the right side of the wheel, you can customise what you want to see in your digital cockpit. So here we can find your key driver information and settings such as your satellite navigation. And we can see things such as your audio, telephone, vehicle status and driving data. Moving to the centre, so here we have your infotainment system where we can access a wide range of features. This does include your FM and DAB digital radio, which is perfect for keeping you entertained during them longer trips. We've got your Bluetooth audio, and you can also make hands-free calls nice and safely on the go. With your app connection, allowing you to mirror up your phone apps to the car, such as your music maps, contacts and messages. And we've got your satellite navigation as you've seen on your digital cockpit. This will help you in planning your routes, as well as providing you with the quickest ones available. When popping the car into reverse, this is how your parking sensors will appear on the screen. These will give off an audio warning. And then moving on to your assistance, we've got some great safety features. This includes your dynamic road sign display, we've got your lane assist, your front assist, your driver alert system, as well as your adaptive cruise control. This car features a 2-zone climate control, offering yourself and your front passenger your own individual airflow settings. This is nice and simple to use. And then just below we have 2 USB ports available to charge multiple devices on the go. With your manual gear stick followed by your manual handbrake. And we've got a 12-volt socket, some handy cup holders, and we've also got some additional storage underneath the armrest. So thank you for watching this video on this Volkswagen approved used Polo style, which does include a 2-year warranty as well as 2 years roadside assistance, along with additional benefits and flexible finance packages available. For a personalised finance quote or to book a test drive, please contact us now on 01978 340 600.